Welcome back to another Temu tutorial. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with us how you can earn as a Temu affiliate. Yes, I know a lot of us has tried to join the Temu influencer program but do not have the required follower count to be able to join, or a lot have tried and they are not approved. Don't worry, the Temu affiliate program is awesome as well. Now, to join this program, you can use the link in my description or in my comment section to actually download the app, and it will automatically sign you up to the affiliate program. That's if you do not have Temu app on your phone already. If you have the Temu app, open up your Temu app and then go to the Temu app search bar and search this code INC 106088. Okay, INC 1060 88. Now just search that code, and once you do, it will automatically sign you up and bring you to this stage. Now, first things first, there are some little tasks you can do. You can see that I already have 12 euro available. Of course, I cannot withdraw until I get to 20 euros. Okay, there are some little tasks you can do to get this 12 euro. All right, so you click on that. So I want to show you what little tasks you can do. My first welcome gift was 3 euros. Automatically, when you sign up, you're going to see these 3 euros. You don't need to do anything, or you definitely get your welcome gift. Now, your first share gift, when you share your code, because when you sign up, you're going to have your own code and links. When you share it to WhatsApp or wherever, you will get the first share gift. When you share another code, you're also going to get the reward for that. When you share your coupon bundle, you will get a reward for that. And when you share an item, you get the reward for that. Okay, so you can come down here to the coupon bundle, click on share, and just choose the platform you want to share to. Okay, to share an item, just go down here. These are the items you can share. Click on share and then share to the item, and you get your reward for that. So these are just little things. Just share all your um codes here so that you can get the reward for it. So these are like the first things you should do. And once you're done with that, click on affiliate traffic verification. Okay, there is a watch now tutorial here for you. Is really explanatory. Just click on the tutorial and see what you have to do. Now, the purpose and importance of verifying here is for you to be able to increase your commission. But if for any reason you're not able to verify, don't worry, you're still going to be able to earn your commission, just that it might not be up to 40%, because once you're able to verify, your commission rate rises to 40%. Okay, but if you're not able to verify, it might be less than 40%. Okay, that's just the importance of the verification. So you can verify via these channels using a social group or one of these coupon deals and sites. All right, like I said, watch the tutorial and you understand everything you need to do. Now, once you're done with this section, click on the invite affiliate section. Here, you can also earn when you invite other people to join the Temu affiliate program. Okay, so to get your code, just slide down. You will definitely see your code here. You can share this code and your link here as well. You can share it. Now, I already have 4 euros available here, so all you need to do is your welcome present and your first invite gift. So definitely the first welcome present will be there for you. Then when you share your code, you get your second invite, your second reward, which is your first invite gift. Okay, after you've done everything I just said, you are now ready to start earning massively. Okay, what our advice is this: share your code and your links aggressively. Share it every day, morning, afternoon, and night, to all your social media platforms. Whatever way you want to share the code and your links, just do it. Get it out there so that people can see it. The more people see your code and links, the higher the chance of someone using it. Okay, when it comes to sharing your code and your links, please do not be lazy about it, okay? Because you have a lot to gain from this, and I assure you that once you put in the work, you're definitely going to smile because you'll be able to earn really, really good from this. I had to open a new account just to be able to show us, the whole process and everything. Of course, this is not the account that I use. I have a different account, but I had to open a new one so that it would be easy to explain, and you wouldn't get confusing. So for the referral bonus and ranking bonus, just click on it to join. Of course, when you invite people, then the reward starts counting in for these two right here, okay? I believe I've covered everything, but regardless, if you have questions whatsoever or you're still confused, feel free to reach out in the comments, ask your questions, and I will surely answer. I hope you've gotten value from this video. If you have, please like the video and follow this page, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.